G'day everyone, I'm Daniel Anderson here. Now Microsoft call these agents and Anthropic call them skills. Two different names, two different platforms, but I reckon they're very similar. So I put them to the test side by side. Let's have a look and see what the outcome is. All right, so let's start in Claude and create our very first skill, okay? So I'm gonna copy this description. Create a meeting note skill that takes raw meeting transcripts, messy notes, or unstructured bullet points and turns them into a clean, structured summary. It should extract 2 to 3 sentences, etc. You can have a read of that. It should flag anything unclear, use people's names as they appear in the notes, and let's just give it to Claude to build this skill out, right? Now, Claude has a skill to create skills, right? So it's going to read the skill, create a skill first to follow the best practices, and then it's going to actually create the skill. Now, skills have an MD file, so a markdown file. So it's called a skill.md, and that's got basically the system instructions for the skill, right? So it outlines everything. Now it's going to check if there are any existing skills or a skill structure to follow. It's had a look at that, good reference. Now it's going to build the meeting note skill for me, exactly as I explained to it. Okay, so it's packaging things up. It's created the markdown file, packaging it out, running a quick test to make sure it reads well. All right, now it's also checking if the packaging script is available. All right, so the package skill, again, so you can see that Claude is actually using skills, its own skills, inbuilt skills, to create what we need. All right, so here it is. It's created my skill.md, and you can see at the top here, meeting notes, skill MD. If I scroll up, you can see that it's written everything for me. Now, you can see in the top right-hand corner, I can simply click a button here and it's going to copy this to my skills. So let's do that. All right, so it's going to copy and then it's going to be ready to go. Now it's copied. All right, so let's put our newly created skill to the test. So I've got two inputs. I've got a full transcript and I've got my meeting notes. So the first one is going to be my meeting notes. Now it's just bullet points that I took during a meeting. So I'm just going to copy that into the input box there. And then I'm also going to copy the full transcript. Now, 15-minute meeting. Okay, so I'm just going to copy the transcript here. And I'm just going to say down here, and I'll paste that in there. Okay, so I'm going to scroll back up. All right, now let's just enter. And I am going to say, here are 2 artifacts from our meeting. One's a full transcript and the other one are the notes that I took. Can you please create a meeting note from using the skill that we just created from these inputs? Okay, so let's see what happens. It's going to read the new skill that we created, and you can see that it's doing that right now, understanding what its skill set is and what it needs to do with those inputs to give me that output. All right, so this skill we can use and we can call on in any conversation that we're having inside of Claude, whether it's inside a project, a normal chat, or anything like that. All right, so you can see it is now creating the meeting notes from those inputs. Now it could be any input, right? So it could be transcripts, could be written notes, could be lots of different AI generated notes. So remembering that we can use facilitator or anything like that inside of meetings, and it's going to give us some AI notes. We've got some transcripts and I've got our own notes that we might take as well. So it's creating the meeting notes as a markdown file from the transcript and the raw notes. Here it is. On the right-hand side, we've got it's created as a markdown file. Let's have a look and see what the structure's like. All right, so we'll just move this across. Here's the meeting summary. I've got the dates. I've got the attendees. Here's the summary, the key decisions, the action items, the discussion topics, the parking lot, and also the next meeting that was discussed. All right, so that is very well structured. Now, let's turn our attention and do exactly the same thing inside of Copilot. So we'll minimize this. We'll come into Copilot and we're going to create a new agent. So it's not a skill, but it's an agent. But I'm going to move over to describe and I'm going to paste in the same description here. So that's the one that we used at the outset to create the skill inside Claude. Create a meeting notes agent that takes okay? And let's see what happens. So Copilot's going to take that. It's going to help me create a meeting notes agent for me. All right. It's going to write the instructions. It's going to give it a title. It's going to give it a description. And we should be then ready to go. And then what we'll do is we'll pass in the same transcript and also the same meeting notes, and we'll have a look at the output. All right. Okay. It is now being created. Meeting notes summarizer is ready to go. All right. So you can see here, I've got the title, I've got my description, and I've got a few starter prompts here. Now you'll notice here already that the starter prompts, the Claude Skill doesn't have, right? So it doesn't give us that. So we've got some starter prompts that we can use. If I go over to configure, I've got my name, I've got my description. Here's my instructions. So a really detailed set of instructions here that's been written from that description, which is perfect. It's structured in Markdown, right? So it's written here. I've got this. I'm not going to add any knowledge or anything like that. I'm just going to leave it like that. Then I'm going to hit create. So this is now creating my agent. Then I'm going to go and I will get the meeting notes and also the transcript. So let's go to my agent. I'm going to do the transcript first. I'm going to give you a full transcript from a meeting as well as the notes that I took during that meeting. Can you please process this and create a meeting note for me? So there's the prompt. I'm going to paste in my transcript, and then I'm going to do exactly the same thing, right? So I'm going to do exactly the same thing with my notes, and I'm just going to go enter, and we'll go notes, and give that to Copilot, my agent, and see what the outcome is. So you can see it's gone into the deeper reasoning. I've got auto selected up here. I've got quick response or think deeper. This is now thinking deeper, right? I can get a quick response if I wanted to. It's crafting the pertinent notes, right? So it's synthesizing everything. Here's the summary. Here's the key decisions. Here's the action items. So it's writing that out. It's following that exact structure, right? It's set out in the instructions. It's doing the right thing. I've got the main discussion topics. And I've got, if I scroll down here, if I keep scrolling, I've got the parking lot, open questions and unclear items. Okay, so it is a little bit different, right? So if I go and I toggle this to the left, and let's go and look at Claude here. Okay, so here are the two artifacts. And if I go to up to the top, let's go up to the top of here. And so we're side by side, okay? Now, let's go up. So here we go. So meeting summary, key decisions. We've got our key decisions. We've got 4 here, but you can see Copilot's generated a few more. I've got action items. Here I've got 7 action items. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 action items as well, which is good. Main discussion topics. I've got here. If we scroll down, good. So they're pretty similar in the content. I've got parking lot down here. I've got the parking lot, which is excellent. Open questions and unclear items. So Copilot's picked up a number of these, whereas the Claude Skill hasn't done that either. Okay, so side by side, there we go. Very, very similar. So we can see that the relationship here between a Claude Skill and an agent isn't too dissimilar. All right. Pretty similar process. I can now use the agent as my meeting summarizer. I can call on that agent in a chat, wherever I am. I can mention that agent. With the skill, same thing. It will just automatically, if I need to create a meeting note, it'll do that. It'll read the skill for me. Now, the good thing about the Copilot one that I do like, not biased at all, but because I use Claude religiously as well, is that when I'm in my agent, I do have direct access to the summary. So if we're recording that, or the transcript, sorry. So if I hit the / and I go to meetings, I can select a meeting and I could use that transcript automatically. Now, I wouldn't need to copy and paste it. Now with Claude, you would need to get the transcript and insert and add the transcript to the chat. All right. So there we go. Claude Skills, Copilot Agent, similar. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.